Will AI take over the world by 2026? It's a question on everyone's mind. Forget the sci-fi movies for a second. Let's talk about the real world. Just a couple of years from now. Who's going to be better at what? AI or us humans? First up, let's talk about raw power. When it comes to processing massive amounts of data, crunching complex numbers, and spotting patterns we'd never see, AI is the undisputed champion. Imagine a doctor diagnosing a rare disease. A human doctor relies on years of experience and intuition, which is amazing. But an AI in 2026 can scan millions of medical records, genetic data, and clinical trial results in seconds. It can suggest a diagnosis with a level of accuracy that's hard to compete with. So, for tasks that need speed, precision, and a massive memory, AI gets the gold medal. Think logistics, financial modeling, or even weather forecasting. I will make these fields incredibly efficient. But hold on! Don't start packing your bags for a life of human obsolescence just yet. What about creativity? Can an AI write the next great novel or compose a symphony that moves you to tears? By 2026, AI will be even better at generating art, music, and text. It can mimic styles, create stunning visuals, and even write decent poetry. But here is the key difference. AI creates based on patterns it has learned from existing human work. It doesn't have life experiences. It hasn't felt heartbreak, the joy of a sunset, or the thrill of a new discovery. True, groundbreaking creativity comes from that messy, unpredictable thing called the human experience. So, while AI can be a fantastic creative tool, the soul, the story, the why behind the art will still come from us. Now, let's move into the workplace. Repetitive, rule-based jobs. Yes, AI and automation will likely handle a lot of those by 2026. Think data entry, assembly line work, or basic customer service queries. This isn't about replacing humans, but about freeing us up. Instead of spending 8 hours a day copying and pasting, people can focus on more complex, strategic tasks. This brings us to another huge human advantage: emotional intelligence and social skills. Can you imagine an AI successfully negotiating a delicate business deal, calming down an irate customer with genuine empathy, or leading a team through a crisis? These things require understanding nuance, reading body language, and building trust. That's our superpower. The jobs of the future, even in 2026, will increasingly value these uniquely human skills: collaboration, leadership, and empathy. Another area where humans will shine is critical thinking and ethical judgment. An AI operates on the logic and data it's given. It doesn't have a moral compass. Imagine a self-driving car in a tricky situation. It will make a decision based on its programming. But a human driver can make a split-second ethical judgment. Call that an algorithm might not. In fields like law, policymaking, and even just managing a team, we need human wisdom to navigate the gray areas. We can consider context, weigh competing values, and make decisions that aren't just efficient, but also fair and just. I can provide the data, but we provide the judgment. So, who wins in 2026? It's not a competition. It's a collaboration! The future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI plus humans. Imagine a graphic designer using an AI to generate hundreds of logo ideas in minutes, and then using their own creative intuition to pick the perfect one and refine it. Imagine a scientist using AI to analyze complex climate data, freeing them up to develop innovative solutions. By 2026, the most successful people in companies will be those who learn how to partner with AI effectively. We'll handle the creativity, the strategy, the emotional connection, and the ethical oversight. The AI will handle the heavy lifting, the data analysis, and the repetitive tasks. It's about augmenting our abilities, not replacing them. So, the next time you hear someone worry about an AI takeover, remember this: technology is a tool. It's an incredibly powerful one, but it's still a tool. The future is bright, and it's a future we'll build together with our intelligence, our creativity, and yes, with a little help from our new AI friends. What do you think? Which jobs will be the most transformed by 2026? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into our amazing future.